In this video we can talk about top 5 DALL E Flow alternatives and competitors. Welcome back to our Alternatives Co channel. In this video, we will be discussing the popular categories of DALL E Flow, your ultimate AI tool for crafting compelling content, and the top 5 alternatives of DALL E Flow, which are Pixray, Nightcafe Creator, Dream by Wombo, Jasper Art, and Dezgo. Let's discover the perfect fit for your projects. Introducing our first alternative is Pixray. Pixray is a pioneering AI tool that embarks on a journey to transform concepts into vivid visual representations, enriching creative projects with AI-generated imagery. It offers features like image editing, diffusion models, and text-to-image. Pixray is an open-source art generator that uses VQGAN clip-based models. While there's an API and Python implementation, there's also a free demo on the website. Pixray's standout feature is its concept interpretation prowess positions that lets you bridge the gap between imagination and visualization seamlessly. Second one on our list is Nightcafe Creator. Nightcafe Creator is an innovative artistic tool that enables users to craft mesmerizing and surreal night scenes. It offers features like neural style transfer, AI face generator, and photo to painting. By harnessing advanced AI technology, this platform empowers you to transform your ideas into vivid nocturnal masterpieces. The standout feature of Nightcafe Creator is its ability to capture the elusive ambience of nighttime. Next up on our list is Dream by Wombo. Dream by Wombo introduces a whimsical twist to the world of artistic expression by offering users the means to animate images, breathing life into static portraits. It offers features like Edit with Text, NFT Remix, and Wombo. Powered by AI, this platform adds a layer of animation that ranges from subtle motions to playful transformations, allowing images to transcend their two-dimensional confines. One of the standout features of Dream by Wombo is its capacity to seamlessly animate images with various effects, transforming them into captivating visual stories. Next up on our list is Jasper Art. Jasper Art is an innovative platform that acts as a creative catalyst, aiding professionals in exploring new directions and expanding their artistic horizons. It offers features like unlimited image generations, text-to-image, and watermark-free images. Jasper Art generates thought-provoking ideas and concepts that serve as springboards for artistic endeavors. One of the standout features of Jasper Art is its capacity to catalyze artistic exploration by suggesting novel concepts and ideas. Last but not the least, we have Dezgo. Dezgo is an inventive tool that utilizes AI to transform text-based descriptions into vibrant and detailed visual representations. It comes with exclusive features like text-to-image, image-to-image, and upscaling. Dezgo empowers users to breathe life into textual concepts by transforming them into vivid visuals. The standout feature of Dezgo is its aptitude for converting written descriptions into compelling visuals, contributing to enhanced communication and creative expression. Compared to DALL E Flow, Pixray stands out by offering an expansive library of AI-generated images and design elements that users can seamlessly integrate into their projects. Nightcafe Creator's AI algorithms meticulously emulate Van Gogh's iconic style, enabling you to reimagine your images with a touch of art history. Dream by Wombo channels its AI prowess to craft visuals that evoke wonder and fascination, blurring the lines between reality and the fantastical. Rather than simply generating art, Jasper Art engages users in a co-creative process, responding to their input to craft personalized creations. And Dezgo's ability to bridge language and imagery is particularly noteworthy, as it enhances communication by translating written concepts into compelling visuals. After thoroughly research multiple AI tools, we would recommend Nightcafe Creator as the best alternative to DALL E Flow. While all options offer distinct creative avenues, Nightcafe Creator's precise emulation of Vincent van Gogh's style elevates it. This unique focus on a specific artist's aesthetics infuses images with an unmistakable artistic legacy, making it a top contender for transforming ordinary visuals into mesmerizing masterpieces. Thank you for sticking with us. Hope you enjoyed every bit of this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.